first order of business, the artists. This is Richard, right? This is Linda Davenport. Linda! Looking at Richard's work, and he was this series that he happened to just start on the colored pencil on the black paper really struck me. It was something that was a little bit different for him. The colors, the way he was applying the lines, and it started to look like embroidery to me. And then I started to think about Linda's work. She works in a different medium, obviously, but in I think the way her lines express themselves are very similar to Richard's. So I was in this sort of, moment. I was like, oh, I have to make a show with just these two artists, to sort of narrow my vision. And on our website, we talk about, art as a language that anybody can use, which is certainly valid. But I started to think about that, also about language, the way people communicate with one another, but in particular the way artists communicate to people. Because I think, with very few exceptions, art is about connecting with other human beings, and for someone who's not maybe particularly verbal, or they're kind of shy, or they really don't know how to engage with other people, they make art. And people come and either dig it or they don't, And in the best case scenario, someone goes, oh my God, that's so beautiful. I've never seen anything like that. And it's this kind of conduit that allows other human beings to kind of connect with one another. And I think that's one of the most important things that happens at Creativity Explored.